what we just saw. The defense. Harry Maguire and fucking Malacia, fam. Malacia, the ball coming over at your feet. Kick it out. Kick it out, fam. The man just come round the can, the back of you, boom, and kick it pan you and kick it and you go in a goal. Why? Why you not kick out the ball? Why? You can't quote these kind of things, Parry. Why? You know he's right behind you. Why? Harry fucking Maguire, fam. Every international break you come here, you interview where you're the best this and you're doing your best you can and you know you win every game you play this season. All that shit. What the fuck just happened, fam? El Nassi out of the fucking one name, I buck the ball over this up. And you just put your big bum buckler head in the way, boom, them score.